What's up, my people? What's up, everybody? Good to have you on this call today. As you all know, today's is for what market outlook, how you can make at least $500 to $1,000 this week alone. This new week, how you can make $1,500 to $1,000 with some of this sweet setup I will sharing with you. They are massive. They are just four setup. I'm personally looking out for them. And of course, I believe that it should definitely do you a great one. As you all know, that every market outlook is an expo for every one of you to make money. It's what is an expo. Every one of you to make massive money. Series of the ones we have done in the past have shown record of market yielding according to our direction. Accordingly, giving us crazy 1 to 6, 5, 8, 10 ratio. Am I talking someone? So same thing is what I'll be doing today. And of course, I want you guys to follow me to these are the market I'll be looking at for this week. And of course, it's going to be playing out massively well. Of course, I'm so sure of that because these are great setup. These are quality setup. Am I talking somebody? These are quality setup. But before then, let me quickly do an highlight of what we did yesterday, or what we did last week, rather. As you all know, that we used to do a little bit recap of our last week so that you can know why you should listen to me. Why should you listen to me? Why should all of this? Because of so all of our what our breakdown analysis series of them. Go and watch them, please. Can you go to our videos and go and watch them? It's called Market Outlook. You see that all of them played out accordingly, according to our perfect analysis. So we are not joking here, guys. We are not joking here, guys. We give perfect expo a perfect trade outlook that can give you $5 to $1,000 if you can stick to it and hit the market at the right entry point and make you cool cash. Am I talking someone? So let's go into last week, what we did last week, and what I was looking out for last week. I told you guys that I was looking out for this baby last week, GDP AUD. Yeah, I was looking out for the AB. It was market was around here. I was saying market should push to this one around to this point here, to this point, so this my cycle level here, close to this first two. So you can create what head, shoulder, shoulder, and I'll be leaning to what to short massively. See this market, but unfortunately, market never came to my entry point. I left it. Can you see that, guys? Can you see? This market did about 800 pips. Let me measure it for you guys. Let's see. It did about it did about 300 pips rather. Can you see? Jesus. Kai. Almost 360. Jesus. That's crazy. Almost 360. Guys, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Almost 360. Imagine I've taken this pair. I'm taking this trade. 360, that's about how many weeks you got issue. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. So, but unfortunately, I do not took the I didn't take the trade. I didn't take the trade because it didn't come to my entry, so I let it go. That's why you should trade. There are a lot of opportunities that you will keep missing out. It doesn't mean that market will not what will not keep giving you another opportunity in another pair again. This same international will point out in another pair. That is what you should always know. These are the nightmare and then phobia of newbies and beginners traders. Once they lose trade like this, and they jump into it, ready to chase the market. FOMO, you don't have to do that. Am I talking to someone? No, no, no. You don't have to do that. Let it go. It's not your market. Market must do whatever you want it to do. Shows everything what to you, give you an extra confirmation, then you execute, then you launch, then you attack. Am I talking someone? That's exactly how you should trade the market. That's exactly how you should approach the market. Because the market did not come to my entry, which I knew that it would still definitely be selling and give me a massive sell, and the sell will take away this one. And I was even thinking it would come to somewhere around here. Unfortunately, it even took away this space and came down here. So I knew the market would give me about 200 plus pips. I know that. I know that. But because it doesn't come to my entry, I never took it. I was waiting for another entry here. It never came to my entry again. I let it go. Am I talking someone? I let it go. That is how you should be. Am I talking? That is how you should be. So you don't have to force the market and anything. I think I was also looking out for this pair GDP card. Let's see. GDP card, GDP card, GDP card. Let's see. I was looking at GDP card. Let's see. The trade I was looking at for last week. Most of those trades, I didn't take any of them. I only took one. I think NZD. Let me see. Is it any NZD card? I think I only took one. I only took one. Okay. So GBPUSD, yeah, it was this guy. Yeah, awesome. It was this guy. Now let me tell you guys. Now, so it was this guy. I was still out for this guy. Now, remember my trend line. I've already taken this trend line. My trend line was here last week. I drew this trend line last week. I've already taken it away. I've already deleted it because market has broken it already. So I deleted it. But my trend line was there. Market was around here, and I told you guys. I said you guys that I'll be looking out for a buy. If you can remember very well, go and look at our video. Market was around here. I said the market will buy, and the market bought. When the market bought, I saw these three. One, two, three. These three rejection. Oh, that shows me a lot. That tells me something. I can see what the market is speaking, what the language of those candlesticks are speaking over there. I can see it clearly. No one needs to tell me that. I can see it. So I knew this is a strong zone. And doing this double top again on these zones on my site level again, I knew this market would not definitely buy anymore. The buy would just be what, a bouncing of my trend line and to sell off. Then I now waited that let me now confirm if it's indeed a sell. Then market came to my trend line and broke in my trend line and broke in again my sack level here. Then I entered a retest under the sack level. Then we take this market about 1 to 4 weeks reward ratio. That was why I changed my bias to sell. Can you see, guys? So can you see, guys? So that's exactly what I'm talking about. So the time may come that you might need to change your bias. It happens in the market often and often times. You just need to change your bias, and that is it. I have to change my bias and go for sale, and I make about 1 to 4. So someone that might have watched this video, and I was looking for a buy because our analysts are always accurate, are always going fine. And wow, imagine this week alone, we dropped about 26 signals. We killed it about 22. We won 22 trades. That's crazy. 4 out of 8, I think we opted out. We closed 2 out of the 4. We lost just 4. And as much we have tried always to always risk as low as we can. Which is just 25 pips, 30 pips, 18, 22, 27, 32. These are the risks we do. Am I talking to someone? Personally, me, I don't even wish us to that level. I should reach like 12, 17, 20. Yes, of my wish is 25, 23. Am I talking to somebody? Even though I want to catch 1 to 7, 1 to 6, or 1 to 5, that is what I will set up. I will look out for. That will give me a what? A lesser risk management. Am I talking to someone? So that is for that trade. So for those who didn't get to see the change bias, I'm sorry about that. If you had been on the third day, our group, our community, probably you would have seen the update on that. I'm sorry. So I want to urge you, please and please, if you are just watching our video for the very first time, first thing I want you to do for me right now is just smash the subscription, turn on the notification, and of course like this video. Secondly, I want you to look into the description right now and join our community channel. So you can always get updates, you can always get signals, you can always get educations, trainings, and lots more. Am I talking to someone? These are the things that will help you. Am I talking to somebody? So you always get those things. Am I talking? So it will really help you, okay? Because we break down forest like ABC. Everyone always said it. Our explanation are always so simple and direct. Am I talking to somebody? So that is how it is, guys. So so that is for that. I think I'm also looking at this pair, and the last one was this. This one was my favorite. If you can remember very well, I told you guys that this was my favorite pair that I'll be looking at for it. Is my favorite pair. Unfortunately, I lost it. What because it was my favorite pair, so I was so like this pair I lost it. Okay, the one on this one I didn't take this one. It didn't come to my entry again. I didn't take it. Why I took this? Let me show you. I took this. I was already saying that this market will come to this cycle level here. Market was around here that time. I was waiting for it. It was around Wednesday or Tuesday. Market came around here. I entered with just one position, even though I didn't see my entry confirmation candle. There, because I told our I to tell you guys that we have about 18 to 20 personally and what we give to our students. So they will always question and look at their book. And whatever market is pointing out of those 18, they will enter and perfectly they will milk and make money from that market. So I never saw the entry confirmation yet. I just wanted to enter as sniper. So I entered with one position, and afterward, and I see the market was not even going to my direction because I was just listening about 18 or so. So I let it go. Market smashed me, take me out. That's why I lost it. I never looked into the market again because I knew what is now a buy. And I don't want to buy it because what? I will be counter trading the market. I'll be what? Trading the market. So that's why I let it go. So this trade this was the only trade I lost, and then the loss was not significant because I thought we lost one position, which was I was often after sniper. If I didn't go after sniper, I would have milked this market. If I waited for my commission, because I would have avoided this market. I know myself very well. I avoided the up move, and I wouldn't have traded it. So that is for that. So let's go into today's market and let's see what we are looking at for this market for this new week. So the first pair we're looking at for this week is this pair. This baby right here, this baby right here. I can't wait. So if you want to trade this market right now, just enter it right now and do the buy. Just continue to buy. That is it. Continue to buy right now. But I personally will be looking out for this market at this zone here to sell. Because what? Let me show you on a daily what is going on in the daily. You should all know that we have our trend line there, we have our cycle level there, we have this market that's been doing a buy a lot for a very long time and is ready to shut. We have a what an engulfing. You can see this pin bar ejecting it here, and market has already covered the ejection. So definitely the next thing to what it will cover it for full, come to this, my cover it in full, come to what? Come back to this full trend line. I believe this market will still buy, come back to this point, and once you come back to this point, I will be willing to short extensively. And if you're giving it about about 1 to 4, of course, it's gonna be a long shot, a long shot. It's a very crazy bearish market. Don't dull, please, guys. You know, as we used to do it, any of our setup, any of our day stuff we give here, yeah, it's crazy. So don't miss any of them. That's number one. Number two is this. I'll be looking out for this baby as well. I'm looking out for this baby. I'm looking out for this baby Euro USD. I'm looking for this baby to come back to this point, come back to this point, to this my cycle level, to this my trend line, and of course I'll be shooting a buy. I'm shooting up a buy. I'm shooting up. Can you see now? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Market change the structure to do higher, higher high. Then a lower low here. Fold this by week. Fold it here and come back to this point and give me what? Entering confirmation. I repeat, it must give me what is called entering confirmation before I can shoot. So that is it. So that's why I have to check my bias in that market last week. If it doesn't give me, I'll wait. It must give me that. Once it give me that, I will launch and I will what? Be longing this market on a crazy move. And now on the third one I'm looking out for is this baby here. I'm looking out for a buy at this point. Let me show you. The market already changed the structure from this point to this point. It's already a long. You can see it's an upward. From the upward, let me show you further things I saw, and I knew that I'll be shorting massively. If I can come back to this entry here, to this point here, I'll be shorting this market back to this point, and I'll be looking for a long market. I'm looking for a good long market here. I'm looking for a good long market. Let me show you. I look for it from here. I look for it. So right now, if you want to trade this market, it's either the drop a gap and push up, then it's only drop a gap and push up to retest this area. Then later come back. Once it comes back and give me confirmation, I will enter it and I'm willing to what to short massively, guys. To short massively, and that's it. And the last one is this. The last one is NUDUSD. This is the last one. 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 I'm willing to what to buy. Right now, if you enter the market, it will just be a sell. Right now, I'm willing to buy at this point. But right now, if you want to trade it directly, you can just sell it. You keep selling. Once you come back to my to my what cycle level here, I'm willing to and give me what entry consumption candlesticks. I'm willing to long this market extensively. Come on, let me show you on the daily why I'll be longing it. It's a crazy market setup. Can you see now? It's a setup. This is what support. Whenever we're here, we're buying. Whenever you're selling, you're selling. And if you break down below and you test under the my cycle level, I'll be shorting. So that is for that, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you and appreciate every one of you all. Don't forget to always watch, subscribe, and turn on notification bell and follow us so you can learn lots more from this community. And don't forget to join our community so you can learn much more better from us. Thank you so much, guys, and thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now. Good day. Peace. What?